Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Dietary needs vary from person to person. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, or take medications that may be affected by dietary changes. The keto diet has become one of the most talked about diets in the world. Supporters claim it can help with rapid weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced cravings. Critics argue that it's too restrictive, difficult to maintain, and may not be appropriate for everyone. So what's the truth? Is the keto diet a powerful tool for improving health? Or just another diet trend? Let's take a closer look at what the keto diet is, how it works, its potential benefits, possible drawbacks, and whether it may be right for you. 1. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic or keto diet is a very low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating pattern. Its goal is to shift the body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. Typically, a keto diet consists of approximately 70 to 80% of calories from fat, 15 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. By significantly reducing carbohydrate intake, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. 2. So what is ketosis? Under normal circumstances, your body primarily uses glucose from carbohydrates for energy. When carbohydrate intake becomes very low, the liver begins converting fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones can then be used as an alternative fuel source. This process is known as ketosis. 3. Foods commonly eaten on KET. The keto diet emphasizes foods such as red meat, beef, lamb and pork, poultry, fish, eggs, cheese butter, olive oil, avocados, nuts and seeds, non-starchy vegetables. These foods help keep carbohydrate intake low while increasing fat intake. 4. Foods that are usually limited. Because keto restricts carbohydrates, many foods commonly considered healthy are limited or avoided. These include bread pasta, rice, most grains, beans and legumes, potatoes, sugary foods, most fruits. This is one of the reasons the keto diet can be challenging to maintain long-term. 5. Potential weight loss benefits. One of the main reasons people try keto is for weight loss. Some individuals experience rapid early weight loss, partly due to reductions in stored water associated with lower carbohydrate intake. The diet's emphasis on fat and protein may also increase feelings of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. 6. May help improve blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that reducing carbohydrate intake may help improve blood sugar management in certain individuals. However, anyone taking medications for diabetes should work closely with their healthcare provider before starting keto, as medication adjustments may be necessary. 7. Reduced appetite and cravings. Many people report experiencing fewer cravings and reduced hunger while following a ketogenic diet. Researchers believe this may be related to the effects of ketones, protein intake, and blood sugar stability. However, individual experiences can vary. 8. The keto flu. One of the most common early complaints is something known as the keto flu. As the body adapts to ketosis, some people experience temporary symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, irritability, nausea, dizziness, difficulty concentrating. These symptoms often improve within several days to a few weeks. 9. Nutrient and fiber concerns. Because keto limits several food groups, it may reduce intake of certain nutrients and dietary fiber if not carefully planned. Some people may struggle to consume enough fiber, vitamin C, and certain minerals. Including a variety of low-carbohydrate vegetables can help address some of these concerns. 10. Is keto safe for everyone? The keto diet is not appropriate for everyone. Individuals who are pregnant, have certain metabolic disorders, liver disease, pancreatic disease, or specific medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before considering keto. Children should only follow ketogenic diets under medical supervision for specific medical reasons. 11. Can people maintain keto long-term? For some individuals, keto becomes a sustainable lifestyle. For others, the restrictive nature of the diet makes it difficult to maintain. Social events, family meals, and food preferences can all influence long-term adherence. The best eating pattern is often the one you can follow consistently while meeting your nutritional needs. 12. The bigger picture. No diet is perfect. Keto can be an effective tool for some people, particularly for weight loss or certain medical situations. However, it's not the only path to better health. Healthy eating patterns such as the Mediterranean diet, DASH diet, and other balanced approaches can also provide significant benefits. Ultimately, consistency matters more than chasing the latest trend. The keto diet has helped many people lose weight and improve certain health markers, but it's not a magic solution. While some individuals thrive on a low-carbohydrate approach, others may find it difficult to sustain or unnecessary for their goals. Understanding both the potential benefits and limitations can help you make a more informed decision about whether keto aligns with your health needs and lifestyle. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you better understand the keto diet, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone trying to decide whether keto may be right for them. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.